Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Recording artist Cecile is rallying support from fellow Jamaicans in the search for missing Manchester High School student Jaden Smith. Jaden has been missing since last Friday. In a post to Instagram, the Manchester native wrote, "Manchester, Mandeville area. Have you seen him? Hope he is found soon. Please return the kid or help him get home. Come on, people." The search is expected to focus on communities surrounding Manchester High and the Perth Road area. Firefighters and the police canine unit are also expected to join the search effort. Now, Not Nice debut single with AI artist tribute to Tyra Spalding. On Wednesday, record producer Not Nice released his latest single titled Save Me, featuring an artificial intelligence artist named Soraya. According to Not Nice, the track was inspired in part by the passing of 26-year-old Miss Universe Jamaica contestant Tyra Spalding, who died from suspected suicide.
Save me. Save me.
Not Nice described the project as somewhat of an experimental move, also getting with the times and adjusting to the ever-changing gears of the music business. He continued by saying the song was written by a human, making it a product of a human input on a relatable topic. Soraya's vocals are AI generated, with the rhythm crafted by him and the lyrics penned by Nordia Mothersell. Now, on the international scene, American singer and actor Tyrese Gibson is reportedly facing a warrant for his arrest in Georgia after his dogs allegedly killed a neighbor's pet. His lawyer has confirmed that he is cooperating with law enforcement. Now, in a statement Tuesday, Gibson extended deepest condolences to the family who lost their beloved dog to this tragic incident that occurred while he was away from home. Mr. Gibson is cooperating fully with authorities to address and resolve the matter responsibly. Now, the arrest warrant details an attack by one of Gibson's Cane Corso dogs. According to a police report, the neighbor's King Charles Cavalier Spaniel named Henry was found dead after being let out on the evening of September 18. Now, a judge has rejected a bid by Sean Diddy Combs to overturn his conviction. In a decision filed Tuesday, the judge denied Combs' request to vacate his conviction on prostitution-related charges or allow for a new trial. Combs was convicted in July on 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution, which carries a maximum sentence of 10 years on each count. Federal prosecutors are asking for more than 11 years in prison. Combs is scheduled to be sentenced on Friday. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.